Hello everybody, AB Trains here, back with another video here on Grand Continental Railways. Yippee! Doing well with these GCR videos, aren't we? Anyways, in today's video we're going to be doing what I call the early morning route between Giles Mount and Landfield North. We will be calling at Landfield Main Station, New Beckhurst, which is a new station that I've never heard of in my life, and finally terminating at Landfield North. Our attraction for this route is a Class 150 at the front and a Class 158 at the rear. You'd have seen this in the Giles Mount to St Ashcott video. But they also do the Landfield North run as well. Basically how this works is the train comes in from the depot, arrives into platform 12, then heads to Landfield North, then comes back here to Giles Mount, but on these platforms over there, notably platform 20, and it continues on to St Ashcott via Baxton Docks, not going via Folkingham that is, goes to St Ashcott, and then comes back to Giles Mount, this time via Gothland, and then arrives back where we're currently sitting at now. Anyways, enough chit-chatting, let's get on with the route. As we depart away from Giles Mount, the starting speed limit, as I'm sure you'll know by now, after countless videos, is 20 miles an hour. The next station is Landfield Main Station, because there's two Landfield stations, Landfield North and Landfield, but without a secondary name, hence why I've called it Landfield Main Station. Of course, in my roleplay, the Landfield North line is served by about 4 trains a day. So you have 2 in the morning, one going to Landfield North, which starts at Giles Mount, which is what we're doing. Then you've got one to St Ashcott, and that's the morning lot done. And then in the evening, you've got the St Ashcott to Landfield North service. And then you've got the final one of the day, which takes you to Giles Mount. And that's basically how it works. Anyways, speed limit is 30 miles an hour, shortly going up to 50 miles an hour. But I'm going to cut it at 40 miles an hour, because Landfield Main Station is literally just around the corner. The line doubles here, and we're now doing 40 miles an hour. Set route options to Landfield North. Apply some braking. The speed limit is going up to 75 miles an hour, but we won't be getting up to that speed, because just after the station the speed limit will be going down to 30 miles an hour for the right turn to the single track line towards Landfield North. We'll stop just under the bridge here, where a 1 to 4 car marker is provided for us. And here we are, arrival at Landfield Main Station. Departing away from Landfield main station, the speed limit at the moment is 75 miles an hour, but we won't be getting up to that speed because the speed limit will be dropping down to 30 miles an hour for our right hand turn to the Landfield North line. The next stop will be New Beckhurst. I just noticed just then that the volume here was quite low, so I quickly upped it up a notch so that you can hear the train. Speed limit momentarily is 30 miles an hour. Now it's gone back up to 50. But again, we probably won't get up to that speed because New Beckhurst is just up around the corner, so I'll have to cut it at 40. The line coming in from the left is the tram line, I believe. And there's New Beckhurst just coming up there. There's no coach stop markers, so we will pull up to the end of the platform where an S-car marker is provided. And here we are, arrival at New Beckhurst. Departing away from New Beckhurst, the speed limit is 50 miles an hour, but will shortly be going down to 15 miles an hour, as indicated by this upcoming warning sign. The next and last stop is Landfield North. You can see Landfield Station just coming up there. We're also about to pass Landfield North Station level crossing. Just added a slight bit of power there because I just stopped a wee bit early there when approaching the forecast stop marker. But here we are, arrival at Landfield North. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe with notifications turned on, specifically to the all options so you don't miss out on any future content whenever they are released.